Pour product 6 inches from the edge to be covered and 1 foot wide. Using a small, round, or flat-tipped trowel, place the material by spreading it heavily against the wall, wrapping around projections, making good contact with the material at all exposed surfaces to ensure watertight protection. Once the material has been placed, use a 4 by 14 inch finishing trowel and with medium pressure, start at the wall and press the material down with slow, easy pressure to flatten product and finish material into its designed even consistency. Leave a straight vertical edge at the end of the kit to make seaming the next kit easier to achieve. Do not feather the product. To work a freshly mixed kit into a finished kit, pour material 6 inches from the seam. Gently butt the fresh material up to the existing seam. Do not excessively overlap the seam, as this could leave a wet appearance on the seam after cure. Do not hurry. Take your time on the seam. Work the material into itself. Then continue the same finishing procedures. After product has been placed and troweled to an even consistency and thickness of 1/8 to 3/16 inch, lighten up and hold the trowel at a slight angle. Using just the weight of the trowel, comb over the top of the material very lightly. Try to trowel the material in the same direction. This will flatten any stones which may be high, as well as supply more resin to the surface and keep the grain uniform to seal off the system properly. These easy passes with the trowel will pull the resin to the top, much the same way water is pulled up in a cement application. If you have to stop before completing the project, put down duct tape and work to the duct tape. Remove the duct tape before the material totally sets up. The next day, place a strip of tape on the now cured finished edge to protect it from new epoxy. Butt the new epoxy against the cured edge. Remove the duct tape before the material totally sets up. When installing the Phoenix one-step system over a large area, we recommend the following crew: 1 person to mix the product, and 1 to 3 people troweling depending on the size and complexity of the job. For sealer application, the following crew is recommended: 1 person to mix, pour, and back roll the product, and 1 person to squeegee sealer on the floor. When the job is finished, clean the area around the new floor and mark the space with warning signs to keep traffic out of the area for 8 to 12 hours minimum while the Phoenix one-step cures. The Phoenix one-step is designed to cure at room temperature. The warmer the temperature and the higher the humidity, the faster the cure rate. At least 50% humidity is recommended for best curing. If an extra high gloss finish is desired, American High-Tech offers a clear 100% solids, solvent-free epoxy finish. American High-Tech also offers a satin finish sealer. This sealer may also be used to correct rough areas. Simply sand with number 60 grit aluminum oxide sandpaper. Apply. Look and feel for any small stones. With a razor knife or small scraper, knock off any stones which may be on the surface. Pour entire contents of component B into component A and stir thoroughly for about 3 minutes, scraping sides and bottom of the container while stirring. Pour all of the mixed resin on the floor. The product has a 30-minute pot life if taken immediately out of the mixing can. If you work from the can, pot life will be reduced and the product can harden in the can in about 7 or 8 minutes. Apply by brush to base cove, corners, around stanchions, and other hard-to-reach areas. For walking surfaces and flat areas, apply with red rubber window squeegee. Take care to allow liquid to penetrate all crevices and voids that may be present. The sealer will reduce the natural texture finish of the Phoenix One Step. When the area is thoroughly covered with an even coating of sealer, wet the roller with excess sealant. Then roll the surface with a short or 1/8-inch nap paint roller. Eliminate squeegee marks or drips by carefully, uniformly pulling the roller toward yourself.
Making sure that I'm overlapping about 1 inch so that you don't miss no voids.
Golf shoes are worn when rolling large floors that you have to walk on. Wait until the next day to inspect the floor for a tack-free field. Your Phoenix One Step is now finished. The Phoenix system is a design resin-rich product which is sealed throughout the covering. It does not require resealing periodically like Terrazzo and can be expected to last for years. Since the Phoenix system is a textured, non-porous epoxy system, all dirt buildup is on the surface. Clean with hot water and detergent. Pour the mixture on the surface and scrub soiled areas with a brush. Rinse with hot water. Squeegee or dry with clean mops. To repair a finished floor, first duct tape around the area. Next, cut out the bad flooring with an angle grinder with a diamond tip. Remove the bad flooring and clean the area. Then just fill in with as much Phoenix One Step as needed. Trowel and finish as you did when laying the original flooring. After completing the patch, remove the tape. If you have any questions regarding the installation or care of your Phoenix flooring system, please call American High-Tech Flooring toll-free at 800-436-6501 or email questions to hightechflooring.com.